What's up, guys? It's AK Kid back for week 4. Looks like we're going to be shooting the mover. So from the box, they'll start it. You might not be able to see it over there, but the white plate is going to zing across the line there. Probably take it about 4 seconds to get over. And you'll have do 6 shots a run. It'll go back and forth, X amount of times. The RO will tell us, I think it's 6 times. And that'll be our week, man. Let's get out and shoot.
All right, hands in position. Give me a nod when you're ready. Long week. Stand by. It's on. What?
There's no beep.
I'm waiting for a beep.
There is no beat.
There's no time.
Run them again.
We have to have a beep.
I think that should.
We didn't have a beep last time.
I was kind of waiting for it too.
No, there's never been a beep with the movie.
So I go beep when it starts moving.
When target becomes visible. Are we recording? Okay. All right. So are you ready? Are you sure? Stand by. Five.
5.
So you would put 1. Okay. Stand by. Three.
So
Stand by.
Yeah, I'll close it.
3.
3.
And I didn't brief it, but those are no shoots. The cardboards are no shoots.
Yeah, right.
Stand by. 4.
4 hits.
Just run 5.
Stand by. 4.
4
Clip.
hits.
Yeah, he clipped the edge on the bottom one just on 1 hit. Stand by. 5.
Nice run.
Stand by. 3. Fast run.
Last one.
Stand by. 4. Unload, show clear. If clear, side forward, hammer down, holster. Just give me now you're ready. Stand by. 1. Stand by. 1. Shooting high. Stand by. 1. You're smacking this first one centered. I don't know what you're doing. Stand by. 3. 4.
5.
That's not gonna help. I appreciate it.
It's okay, Dad.
Did you see it hit the plate or did you hit the rubber above it? The one I thought would.
2 hit the same spot.
Okay.
That was the hard one to call.
Benefit goes to the shooter, so 4. Stand by. 3. Stand by. 4. 4. 2 more runs, or how many more runs? Stand by. Three. Last run. Stand by. Did you catch that last shot? I'm going to call it two. I think you caught the edge. Hello, show clear. If clear, slide forward, hammer down, holster. All right, go and take it.
Good job, Dad.
Still fun.
Stand by. One. Stand by. Three. Stand by. Stand by. Three.
Nice job, Bill.
Stand by. One. Stand by. Three. Stand by. Two. Last pass, right?
Last pass.
Stand by. Two. Unload, show clear. If clear, slide forward, hammer down. All right, seen it.
Well, that was a brutal week, but that's how we did right there. You see the Hobbit did pretty good as far as our little group was concerned, and that's really going to help him with the match points. See, he pulled away almost by 100 there. And of course, with Marufo being gone, his points didn't change at all, so Bill gained a little bit on him. Check back for the rifle round for week 4. It's going to be coming up next, and hopefully you guys will subscribe and like the video.